In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at a new program that optimizes freight operations, a data-driven predictive maintenance platform, a freight classification tool, and an integration that aims to simplify the repair process. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Tech-driven middle-mile logistics company Warp has introduced its new Pilot Path program that aims to optimize less-than-truckload and full truckload freight operations. Customers provide Warp with pallet-level shipment data, which is then analyzed to identify underused capacity, turning it into cost-saving or revenue-generating opportunities by consolidating compatible shipments into full truckloads or expediting critical deliveries through dedicated routes. Warp then ensures ongoing success with real-time tracking, reporting, and recommendations. IdleSmart, a provider of integrated fleet operations solutions, has rolled out a predictive maintenance tool that redefines fleet uptime by enabling a proactive, data-driven approach to maintenance. Smart Insights leverages AI-powered analytics to provide data on vehicle health, predicting potential failures in advance. This allows fleets to maximize technician efficiency by prioritizing the most critical repairs and streamlining maintenance workflows, minimize downtime by predicting and preventing breakdowns, and improve driver satisfaction by reducing downtime and improving vehicle reliability. IdleSmart Chief Innovation Officer Ryan Bennett said, "Fleets are often inundated with fault codes and a lack of clear, useful information. This leads to unexpected breakdowns, higher maintenance costs, and more downtime. Smart Insights alerts fleets of possible incidents days to weeks in advance, allowing them to address issues before they lead to costly failures." The National Motor Freight Traffic Association recently debuted its Class IT Plus offering for the less-than-truckload industry. Misclassified freight continues to create significant financial strain in the transportation industry, leading to costly rate disputes and disrupting supply chains. Class IT Plus, an online LTL freight classification tool, aims to address these challenges and prepare national motor freight classification users for the changes coming this summer. Class IT Plus provides NMFC users, including carriers, shippers, and third-party logistics providers, with real-time data, advanced search functionalities, and collaborative tools to improve productivity and streamline the movement of goods. Trimble and Daimler Truck North America have integrated Trimble Road Call, a vehicle breakdown module within the Trimble TMT Fleet Maintenance solution, with Freightliner Service Tracker. This integration aims to simplify the increasingly complex repair process for commercial fleets. Industry averages suggest 2.5 to 5% of a single fleet is in the shop for repairs on a given day. Repair and maintenance costs grew by 3.1% in the last year, while parts and labor continue to rise. As original equipment manufacturers and service providers introduce multiple software solutions to the market, maintenance managers face numerous options for vehicle repairs. This often requires navigating different systems with various login credentials, leading to duplicate workflows and inefficiencies. A single repair can take 3 to 5 days to complete and is often prolonged if communications aren't digital. Trimble Road Call's integration with Service Tracker, a real-time tracking solution of vehicles as they're repaired within DTNA's service network, addresses this issue with synchronized equipment and repairs, continual monitoring with status updates, and instant visibility of all repair orders. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.